अच्छा, देखें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 85 कहता है आई एम गोइंग आउट ऑफ टाउन। आउट ऑफ, ये जो हुक है ये क्या है, ये वी हुक है। इसका क्या मतलब है, आउट ऑफ टाउन नेक्स्ट वीक एंड आई शुड लाइक to talk with you for half an hour before I leave. First up, if you happen to be in town this week, please call upon me. First up, I shall be in town next Thursday, and I shall be glad to call upon you at 3 o'clock. Full stop. I am enclosing a rough outline of what I propose to do for a more active sales drive in the autumn. Full stop. Please read this over between now and next Thursday. If you will make a number of note in the margin. ये क्या है, in the margin. तो ये किस तरह लिखेंगे, देखे ये in the margin इस तरह लिखेंगे, देखे in the margin इस तरह लिखेंगे. अच्छा, in the margin of anything that across to you, we can talk about it when we meet. First up, dear sir, we have pleasure in enclosing a price list and circular which fully describes our Milton flyer. First up, we believe that this machine is the most attractive and reliable we have ever offered. First up, the machine of which you speak is a foreign one, and our own machine costs you only one half as much. First up, our local representative is very often in Cardiff, and we shall ask him to call upon you and explain क्या है ये, explain more fully the advantage of owning our machine. First, we enclose also a list of the people in Cardiff who have bought this machine. अच्छा, फुल स्टॉप. अच्छा, फिर कहता है ये है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 86. कहता है डियर मिस ब्राउन, ऑन योर बिहाफ आई हैव स्पोकन टू ए नंबर ऑफ, ये क्या है, नंबर ऑफ, ये जो एफ हुक है ये ऑफ के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अच्छा, पर्सन्स इन दी vicinity of Woburn Park with respect to your plots. ये एल हुक भी है और ये है टी के लिए पी हाउ भी है. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ, they all agreed that building is not very active at this time, and I think there is no doubt that if you sold the plots today, you would not get more than you paid for them. First off, a representative of one of the local building firms said that he believed it would be better to put them on the market in the spring. Full stop. If you approve, I will ask him to put the plots on his list for sale at not less than 500 pounds each. First up, this figure would be a little above the price you paid. And I think that even in the spring, this is the most attractive offer you can expect to get. First off, the firm which this man represents is one of the best known local, and I am sure they will serve you to the best advantage. First off, their name and address is Burn and Green, 69 Woburn Park Drive, Brighton. First stop. I think they are the. I think they're the just of the firms. अच्छा यहाँ पर लाइन का पता नहीं चलता. I think they are the largest of the firms which have built houses in Woburn Park. First off, their representative says that they have several plots and of their own which they expect to sell in the spring. In as much as you are out of town, I think it would be to your advantage to have they act on your behalf. Very yours very truly. First up.